What's up, everybody? If you've ever seen any of my makeup tutorials, you clearly know that those take some real time. But who has that time? I sometimes don't even have it. So today I'm gonna show you how I get ready in 5 minutes or less. We're talking fast. You ready to do this? Thanks to Clinique for sponsoring this video. Being able to get out of the house really quickly for me depends on all the preparation that happens the night before. I took a shower last night, I wrapped my hair, brushed my teeth quickly this morning, and now, guys, these are literally the only items that I'm gonna use to do my makeup. So this is gonna be super fast. I am obsessed with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. It is a concealer and a foundation in one. And the awesome thing is that it actually lasts 24 hours with a natural matte. It's made for dry, oily, and combination skin. I definitely have combination skin, so it works perfectly. So the color I am wearing is 825 but the awesome thing is that it comes in 40 shades, and you can actually go to a Clinique counter and find out what your perfect shade is, and they'll give you a 10-day sample. I love that. So, literally, fun fact, you guys, I just found out this right here, applicator is called a doe foot. You get it? Because it kind of looks like a little deer foot. Now, the awesome thing is that you don't have to use this all over your face. You can just find the little things that you want to cover up. Like for me, my little red spots on my cheeks, I'm just gonna go over that like so. Hit it right there really quickly. Glides on so smoothly. And I think the key is you still want to look natural, but you want to look put together. I think so many of us, my sister, you know, whether she's dropping the girls off to ballet really quickly, or moms that drop their kids off to school in the morning, they don't have a bunch of time to get themselves looking glam, but they still wanna feel like they look presentable. So for me, I hit my T-zone, my red spots, and my chin, and then I am going to pat that together like so. For me, this is pretty much my routine when I have an early morning flight. I do not have the time to like go full glam, but at the same time, your girl ain't trying to look crazy in public. So I don't wanna scare anybody at the airport. This definitely gives an all-over flawless finish, and I also love that it's oil-free, and again, it's 24-hour matte foundation, but it still looks natural, because when we say matte, sometimes that can scare people, and it's like, oh my gosh, but I still wanna look glowy and dewy and fresh. Girl, you're just not gonna look greasy. So this is definitely the look you're going for. Natural. Next step, we are going to use some mascara. I love this one. This is High Impact Mascara. I'm just gonna literally do the quickest coat, like so. Thank God I got my eyebrows microbladed. I don't worry about that anymore. Simple, simple. Then I'm gonna follow up with just some moisturizing lip balm, you guys. This one's amazing. It's called Whole Lotta Honey 02, and it is the Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. And I don't know about you guys, but in the morning, sometimes my lips literally look gray. It looks like I'm dead. So again, this just adds a little color, and it's moisturizing, which I love. Feels really good going on. Okay. The skin looks even, complexion is popping, eyelashes, hello, looking like a little Bambi. The next step is to take my hair out. Now, a lot of you guys may be wondering, why is her hair tied up like that? What does she mean she wrapped her hair last night? Please comment below if you've never wrapped your hair before or you've never heard of wrapping your hair. Back in the day, my mom used to call this a doobie, and she taught me how to do this to my hair, and I for sure will be teaching my daughters how to wrap their hair, because it not only saves time, but it keeps heat off of your hair. You don't have to flat iron your hair every morning. This is actually going to maintain your blowout. So, I simply just go like this. This is what it looks like underneath. I will drop it and literally voila, shake my hair out. If you want me to do a whole separate video about how to wrap your hair, let me know in the comments below, but that for me definitely is a major saver. So literally I just take that straight out of the scarf. I can brush it through. Any wave that I had the night before will still stay. And it just pretty much, I know it sounds weird, but like, if you saw that it almost looked like I was in like a beehive situation, pretty much I'm using my head as one big roller, if that makes any sense. So when I take it out, it drops down just like this. Brush my fingers through it. And you guys, I'm ready to throw my clothes on that I laid out last night. The key to me being able to run out of the door in the morning is because I prepared the night before. I'll lay out my outfit. I'll make sure my bag is prepped and prepared. Even like with little things, like I know that I'll definitely wanna take this lip balm with me, so I'll throw that in my purse. I will lay out a pair of sunglasses, because you know your girl has to be fabulous, or at least try to be. This to me is like a perfect go-to, run out of the house really quickly, still feel comfy and cozy. It is a black knit piece. The true New Yorker in me loves to wear black head to toe, so I love this. It's a high-waist skirt with a little cropped sweater. How cute is that? I don't know for you guys, but literally in the morning, my brain is fried. Like I'm like, who am I? What is my name? So the idea of putting together an outfit sounds like torture to me. I literally have done this before, stood in my closet and just been like, I can't do it. So, also you guys, if you ever just have downtime in your life, like a free 20 minutes, shocking, probably never happens for anybody, but if you do, I like to do like play fittings in my closet and like put together outfits for future occasions that if God forbid, I just had to grab something quickly, I know that there are a few outfits already put together that are kind of cute in my closet, that are casual, just chill stuff, run to the grocery store. That makes my life a lot easier. So this is what I laid out. I'm gonna go put it on really quickly and I'll be right back. See, look how cute this is. Super cute, I love this. Okay, now, yes, I am the queen of a good fuzzy sock. I feel like Mr. Rogers right now. Just saying. Here we go. So I am loving these boots. I actually got them in white as well, but they're literally my go-to for everything right now. And I'm loving them because they are comfortable. I can walk around, I can get things done. I feel like I'm on a timer, like trying to get this done really fast. I'm like, come on, shoes. Tie those quickly. Fun fact, you guys, I don't know how to tie my shoes the right way. I don't know if I've ever shared this, but I do the 2 bunny ears because I was never taught how to tie my shoes. I taught myself, and that's just the way that seemed to work for me. All right, so there you have it. I am going to place my bag on, crossbody style, shades on. I feel this, my hair looks like it just got done. If I'm feeling like you need to see my midriff, I'll be like, hey, you know, it's like peekaboo, purse is on. I feel like my skin, you see it, it's glowing, the lips, they are moisturized. You know, this is like, oh, hi, I'm just dropping my kid off from school. These are the things that I look forward to doing and saying, like, oh, thank you so much. We were in such a rush this morning. I look a mess. Not. So you guys, this is how I get ready in literally 5 minutes or less. It's a simple little glam right here. And again, thank you so much to Clinique for sponsoring this video. There is nothing like a 2-for-1 product to get you moving even quicker. So I love this. If you guys wanna check out the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, make sure that you go to your Clinique counter, have them find out what is the perfect shade for you, and then you'll get a 10-day sample. Mwah. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.